Alright guys, so this is another video where I show you how to install a Courier script and how to create a Courier website using our Courier script, right? So let's get started. Now come here, come to your cPanel now. Obviously, you guys might know about cPanel. So if you do not know about cPanel, I have a full tutorial about cPanel. If you don't know how to buy domain name and the web hosting, I have a video about domain name and web hosting. You understand? So I'm just going to start from cPanel. I'm going to come here and search for file manager. So search for your file manager, opening a new tab. Now in this file manager, you'll be brought to your public underscore HTML this place. So on this public underscore HTML, click on upload. Right? So but me, I'm not using my public underscore HTML. I'm going to use my subdomain or add-on domain. So I'm going to click on upload, right? So the same process. So I'm going to select the domain I'm using, the script. So I'm going to open it. So I'm going to allow it to upload. So you do the same thing, allow it to upload and wait. So we have it uploaded. As you can see, it has been uploaded. So I'm going to click on go back home and I'm going to extract the file. Click on extract the file, and I'm going to click on close. Now you see the file is actually here. Everything is complete. So the next thing you want to do is to install the file. As you can see, it has an install folder, right? So you copy your domain name, you go to the website, you go to your site/install, click on enter. Alright, this page is not working. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to change our PHP version. So PHP, while this is loading, let's go to ensure that all our files are complete. So you have our install folder, which is this. All right. So we have begun our installation, as you can see. So if your installation does not show up, just go to your PHP version 32 8.1 and you have this, right? So the next thing you want to do is to scroll down or click on next. All right, enter your purchase code. So I'm going to enter my purchase code. So I've entered my purchase code in the part before. I just covered that. So database host. Now, on database host, I'm going to come here and search your database. This database wizard, I'm going to open it in a new tab. So here I'm going to call my database test. You can call your database anything you like. So I'm going to call it text again. Now I want to use this for my password so that I can always use the same thing for all of them. So I click on create user. Once that is done, I'm going to give it all privilege and I'm going to click on next step. Alright, so go back. Database, your database is always localhost. What is that? Oh, sorry, database host, yes, local. It's always localhost. Database username, database password, what we did just now, database name, which we did here, right? Okay, here. That's what we are using. So I'm going to click on import. So what's going to do is going to import the SQL from this part. Here's the SQL. This is an install file. We're going to install this SQL to our PHP, our admin. So PHP. So this is where it's going to import the SQL into, right? So let's go. It has been successfully imported, as you can see. Click on next. Deprixa Pro Logistics 8.1 successfully installed, right? So this is it. Successfully installed. So what you want to do is to click on login. So you are giving your login details. Your email, the username is admin, your password is this. You understand? Alright, so let's go login. The first thing you should do is to change the account details. Alright, so once you log in, change the account details. So let's open this in a new tab. Right, so once this is done, it's okay, we are safe. As you can see, this is it. Alright, so follow up, you have a tracking here where you can track, your users can track from this point. Right, so the users can track from this point, they can enter their tracking code or load out packages from here, understand? And you can log in for here. So they said our user details is admin 09731. So admin 09731, if I'm not mistaken. 09731, right? Okay, so if you log in, to take it down to your admin directly. So the script is built in Spanish, so what you have to do is to come here and change your language in German, sorry. So you have to change your language, either you, okay, that's not yet changing, sorry. Configuration, general settings, right? I'm not mistaken. So most of this script been a while since I used them. Okay, languages, English, and update settings. All right, so we have our website in English. Okay, so this is the Deprixa Pro, right? So this is our control panel. This is our, okay, let's start from the control panel. How much? This is everything. This is local packages, right? We don't have anyone yet. So this is list of package, list of payment. This is the shipping, right? So shipment control panel. You could create shipment for here from this area. So this is shipment details, customer detail, receivers detail, shipment information, package information, tax information, right? So this is the pickup. So the pickups, the ones that pick up, consolidate, general report. This is your total users, transactions, and so on. So here is your general settings. Actually a nice web script. It's a nice script. I like the script because it has a lot of options. This is like the most advanced shipping script I've seen. It has office group, agency group, shipping companies, type of packages, shipping modes, shipping times, styles and state, logistics service, shipping setting. It has a lot. Like they even have taxes, tracking invoice, and you can even add payment gateways on it. That means people can even pay on it. So you can use cash payment, PayPal, Stripe, Paystack, wire transfer. So you can use to receive money, right? Right. So this is one of the biggest shipping script I've seen, and it's totally worth it, right? It's totally worth it. Yes, it's totally worth it. So you can see the list of shipment that you have created here. You understand? So that's it. So that's how to install Deprixa Pro. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So on the front end here, you have your script. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. So bye for now.